Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about crisis PR, kind of where we are right now. Everything is spiraling and people are scared. And they think, oh, I shouldn't try to pitch the media. I'm not a doctor. I'm not. But there's so much value that all of you can bring as our world is changing. Conferences are canceled, restaurants are closing. Maybe you have sales expertise, leadership expertise. How do you lead from home? How do you work from home? I actually just pitched a story myself about tips for working from home because I worked from home for 10 years. And it was a big adjustment. But there are so many things that you can do to provide value to an audience in this crazy time and time of need. So I'd like you to really consider thinking about what it is you can offer to somebody. What value do you have, and which media outlet would be interested in hearing that? So that is this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. I have a challenge that I do. Now might be a great time to jump in if you haven't done it, because this is a huge opportunity to gain exposure for your expertise. The challenge is at yourprchallenge.com. There's no cost to join. It's 10 days. Hey, we're all home, right? So it'll give you something to do instead of commuting. You can take the challenge, but it's only 10 minutes a day. So take the challenge, learn how to really position yourself, get your brand together, really make you an influencer in your industry, and then start pitching, because you do have a gift to share with the world. So here's to your PR success, and I can't wait to see you in the media.